finally back with another process video. Today I'm using these papers from Amy Tangerine and then a paper that I've had in my stash for quite a long time from the Hip Kit Club. The collection of Amy Tangerine is Picnic in the Park. I've just showed you that paper pad. These are the photos that I'll be scrapping. These are my grandkids. We had taken them to an indoor little park called Kids Fun Park, and my grandson was so excited about this park because of the Sonic slide. And I'm just showing you some of the embellishments and things that I pulled to create this layout. And most of this stuff is just from my stash. This is not from a kit. This is just stuff that I've pulled from random places, my color drawers, to create this layout. And I'm in the middle of a Chanel class called Half and Half. And I have several layouts from this class that I've worked on. This is just one of several. And so I'm going to use these 3 photos. And like I said, this is a park that we had taken our grandkids to play at. And my granddaughter had already been there from a birthday party. So she went home and told her brother all about the Sonic slide. And it's not really called the Sonic slide, but it's blue and it has the yellow arrows. So in her mind, it was the Sonic slide. And so he was so excited when we told him we're going to go to the play. And Emery told him all about the Sonic slide. And so he had to wear his Sonic the Hedgehog shirt to celebrate. And so they went down this slide probably 50 times at least so, before we left, and they had a lot of fun. And I wish I had half of their energy because they wear me out just watching them. So I pulled these 2. These are Felicity Jane tags that I've had, like I said, in my stash for a long time. And I'm going to put those 2 up there at the top. And that is going to be where my title is going to rest. And of course, my title is going to be called Sonic Slide. And I'm just trying to make sure that this is where I want to put my title before I actually commit. I haven't adhered the tags or anything yet. I just want to see how it's going to look. And I wasn't crazy about, because it's going to be a lot of blank space there, and the rest, Sonic has a place to rest, I feel like, and then Slide, or LIDE, doesn't have a place to rest. It's just sitting there all by itself. So I wanted another tag or something to put under there, and I just kind of like, I couldn't make up my mind. So I just went on to another part of my layout, which is what I often do. If I don't know what I want to do, I'll just move to another section of the layout so I don't get stuck. But as you see, that didn't take long for me I saw another tag to the right of me, and I thought I could use that. And then I finally settled on this long rectangular tag. I thought it was perfect because I also wanted to put a little embellishment right next to the end of the word slide. And so the one that I had previously thought I would use, I ended up not liking, so I'm going to find a different. I still want a camera, I just didn't want that camera. And so I found this one in my Amy Tan Picnic in the Park collection. This is a sticker book. And it kind of reads green on the screen, but whenever I was looking at it in the paper pad or in the sticker book, it looked black. And I think it probably has a tinge because it's got glitter on it, so it has a kind of a tinge of green. And then I'm using some enamel dots just to add some more black to either of my clusters. And also I'm using some wood veneers that I've had in my collection. Those are actually from Shadney, who has an Etsy store. And she also has a YouTube channel, which I will link down in the description box below. And just adding a few little finishing touches there, and I am done with this layout, I think. Yes. I'm just going to add my, oh no, I'm not done. I pulled some of my black ribbons and twines, and I just wanted to give those tags a more finished look. And I'm just putting a little glue behind the ends of the twine so they're just not all over the place. So that is the end of my layout process video. I thank you so much for stopping by and watching today. If you enjoyed this, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.